Arrive in style with this GMC 2017 Canyon 4WD SLT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are rear axle 3.42 ratio, audio system 8 inches diagonal color touchscreen navigation with Intelli-Link AM/FM selection with USB ports and auxiliary jack, Bluetooth streaming audio for music and most phones, hands-free smartphone integration, voice-activated technology for radio and phone, and shop with the ability to browse, select and install apps to your vehicle. You can customize your content with audio, weather and more. Summit White, license plate kit front, driver alert package includes U, forward collision alert and UFL, lane departure warning, wheels 18-inch x 8.5.